In critical path method examples 1, 2, and 3, we were given the project network diagram. In real life, we do not always have that luxury. Many times we have to build the project network diagram based on some raw information. In this example, example 4, we are given the information in a table. We'll use that information to build the project network diagram first, and then apply the critical path method. This table has 3 columns: the task names or labels, the task durations in weeks, and the immediate predecessors, meaning what must happen before you can start something. Like in the previous network diagrams, I want to show a start box to show the project begins with so and so tasks, in this case A, B, and C, because it's given in the last column of the table that they don't have any predecessors. So start to A, start to B, and start to C. You can show these with other shapes if you like, instead of ovals or circles, maybe rectangles, any shape as long as you know what is what in that shape. So A, B, and C, the project begins with those. D has 2 predecessors, so D should get 2 arrows, one from A, the other one from B. E has a predecessor, that is B, so E should get an arrow from B. F has 2 predecessors, D and C. G has 2 predecessors, E and C. Arrows can intersect, there is no problem, as long as we have the correct predecessors shown for each task. So G gets 2 arrows, one from E, the other one from C. And finally, we have H, which should get 2 arrows, one from F, the other one from G. All I did is use the predecessors given to me and made sure that the arrows are coming from those predecessors for each task. I think I can squeeze in the finish box to show that the project finishes with H. The durations for the tasks are 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 3, 9, 11. So 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 3, 9, 11. All right, we have transferred everything in the table to this network diagram. So I'm going to quickly do this, given that you know the critical path method thoroughly thanks to examples 1, 2, and 3. Earliest start goes on the left side top of each of these shapes here. So 0, 0, and 0 for A, B, and C, earliest start. Earliest finish for A is 5, 2 for B, and 6 for C. You want to write the earliest start of D. D is getting 2 arrows, one from A, the other one from B. So you are looking at 5 and 2, the earliest finish of A and B, that is. You choose the largest, which is 5. 5 plus 2, 7. E is getting only 1 arrow, so that's easy. So it's coming from B, and B's earliest finish is 2. So 2. 2 plus 7, 9. F is getting 2 arrows. D and C are the predecessors, that is. So 7 and 6, largest is 7. 7 plus 3, 10. G is getting 2 arrows, 9 and 6. So 9 is the largest. 9 plus 9, 18. And H is getting 2 arrows, 10 and 18. Largest is 18. 18 plus 11 is 29. Project duration is 29 weeks. All the durations are in weeks, so 29 weeks. If all the holders have agreed to 29 weeks for the project, you must finish H latest by 29 weeks from today. Maybe I'll show the legend for the first and the last ones. Easier to discuss. So 29, which is the project duration, goes as the latest finish of the last activity, which is H. 29 minus 11 is 18. That's your latest start. So the latest start of H is 18. Latest finish of both F and G would be 18. Nothing new, just like examples 1, 2, and 3. 18 minus 3, 15. 18 minus 9, 9 for G. And D has only one arrow going out. So if latest start of F is 15, latest finish of D rather would be 15. 15 minus 2, 13. And E, there's only one arrow going out, and that is going to G. So if latest start of G is 9, latest finish of E would be 9. 9 minus 7, 2. And A, there's only one arrow going out, that's going to D. So this would be 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. B has two arrows going out, so you're looking at more than one number now. 13 as the latest start of D and 2 as the latest start of E. You choose the lowest, you know why. 2 minus 2 is 0. C has two arrows going out, so you're looking at 15 and 9. You choose the lowest. 9 minus 6 is 3. So I'll show maybe the legend for one of the first activities here. So slack of A is 8 minus 0 or 13 minus 5, 8 weeks. Slack of B is 0 minus 0 or 2 minus 2, 0. And slack of C is 3 weeks. Slack of D is 13 minus 5 or 15 minus 7, same thing, 8 weeks. Slack of E is 0. Slack of F is 8 weeks. Slack of G is 0. And slack of H is 0. Critical path is BEGH. And if you add the durations of B, E, G, and H, you will get 29 weeks.